Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make digital business card. It's really easy, really simple. We're gonna add some hyperlinks. I'm gonna show you how to do it, and in the end I'm gonna show you some bonus trick which gonna help you land more contacts. So let's begin. So first of all, in top search bar we're gonna type in business card, and when you type it in you have some choices. So here you have business card, landscape, and let's see the templates. When you open it, you have a lot of templates which you can work with. And we're gonna start maybe with, I don't know, let's choose, okay, let's choose this one. It's pro version, looks nice, have few examples. Let's customize this template. So when you open a template, you can either choose this one or you can delete everything. Let's start from scratch. Let's add some elements. Let's go to uploads. Let's use our logo. Let's go to elements. Let's select some shapes to look more nice. All right. You can add even text here, some headings, some, right. So let's do T. All right, let's minimize it. Let's make it like this. So yeah, now you want to add some hyperlink here in the text so people know where to click it. You can press here on this text, press ungroup, press this text here, and you have link, or you can press Ctrl K. So in here you can add either hidden page or next page, but we want to add link, so we're gonna do like this. Done. And now when people press the link, we're gonna go straight to your page. The next thing what can do, the extra I was talking about, it's really fun stuff which gonna help you land more contacts, and it's gonna be easier for you. So go to elements and you type in QR code, and Canva has already built-in QR code system. So you just press use app, you enter your wanted URL, and you press generate code, and straight away you have generated QR code. You can move it, you can do it like this, and yeah, so this is really easy to do. You can design it whatever you like. This is fast tutorial, so you'll know how to do it. If you have any questions, leave in the comments, and see you next time.